Okay, this is what I'm going to show you. You'll be needing this internet cable now. This will work. Now, this is what I want you to do. I want you to plug, but before I start, you will need a Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi sitting on the laptop. Of course, I have a TV laptop. So this is what you're going to do. I want you to get your TV, this, plug it in the back of your console. So, I'm going to turn this around and show you how you do this. I'm going to insert that there. Excuse me. I'm going to insert that. Bam. It's in. Okay. Now, once you get that, you're going to turn around and insert this on the other side of your laptop. So, I'm going to turn this around. Now, most of the time it's going to be on the side of your laptop, so that's what I'm going to do. Boom.
Boom. Toshiba.
Once you get that, this is what you're going to do. So, used for this. So, what you're going to do, once you go to some screen resolution or personalized, so I want you to do. Once you did that, I want you to scroll down and look for a network. Now, once you go to network, push it. Now, it's going to show this. Now, this is not where you're going to go to. I'm going to show you where you want to go to get your Xbox Live connection. Once you did that, you have Wi-Fi. This is what you're going to do. Okay, get out. Maybe this is going to do your shit. Show me. I said, take my mother time, nigga. Hey, get on that house. Get on that house. Get my that house. Let me see you bounce that.
Bounce that.
So your picture. See, they trying to tell me my shit ain't got that loud like a motherfucker. Definitely on motherfucking editor. Local area on that shit, nigga. If you gonna wait, nigga.
Hey, this nigga tripping though on a code. Like this nigga right here.
I'll punch you in your mouth.
No, you won't. Swing some baby.